That sand was a lot softer than I expected, and I'm bogged down to the sills. I think I need a little bit of help. Hey boys, I need you for a snatch. How good was that? You know, we use the Hercules Recovery Kit a heck of a lot on DVDs. I reckon on average, maybe 5 or 6 times a week we get bogged. And if you do the maths on that, it's about 150 times a year. So this bit of recovery kit, it really saves our backside every time we come out in the bush. The Hercules Complete Recovery Kit comes with everything you need for any type of recovery situation as far as I'm concerned. Doesn't matter whether you're winching or you're snatching, everything you're going to need is right in here. It comes with an 8-ton snatch strap, a winch extension strap, a tree trunk protector, a winch dampener, a pulley block, a couple of shackles, and they've even thought about the little things like chucking in a tyre deflator and a shovel. Like all Adventure King's gear, it's top quality and really, really affordable. So if you don't yet have a recovery kit, make sure you get yourself a Hercules Complete Recovery Kit.